I was already good in tight spots. That's kind of like one of the things that is my gifting, sometimes to a detriment, because I almost force myself into a tight spot just because I tend to operate better, when the pressure's on. But if you're not good at working out of a tight spot and you're on TV, you better figure it out, because the pressure is all of a sudden on. Doing Fixer Upper, doing our own show, keeping our own business alive, that was one of the hardest things. There were some of the challenges that come along, like that project, and I had to figure out a way to accomplish that goal, get that thing knocked out, but also make sure that my business is still going and that my customers who are paying me over here as well to build a table for them, that they're not waiting forever to get that. And so there was a balancing act that we had to learn. Fast forward, I'm at my shop in Waco, and some of the folks that work up in the storefront, our shop was in the back, and they came back and they said, "Hey, while you were gone earlier, this dad and this son came by, and they brought something for you. The son, he's like 11 or 12 years old, made this and he wanted to give it to you." And he handed me this thing, and it had a note attached to it, and he said, "Hey, thanks for the inspiration," or something like that, whatever, and attached to it was a honey dipper. And the kid made this honey dipper. I hadn't written my book yet. I think that story is in at least the story of me learning how to turn by watching a guy turn a honey dipper is in the book. I hadn't written that. Nobody knew that story. And so it was just like the neatest thing, that this kid was just inspired to make this thing for me, and they took the time to, bring it to the shop and say how much I inspired him. That was it was a cool thing. So that kind of thing where I'm realizing what Chip and Joe are doing, what Kelly and I are doing, that other people are watching that and going, "Hey, they seem normal and seem like me, and I could try my hand at what they're doing." That is like the best thing that could ever happen. It's super amazing, and I'm really thankful for it.